What is up, guys? Today we're going to show you how we installed the Biosound Shape. The company provided us with the installation while we sort of documented a little bit of the process. So let's get started. So the first stage of this installation is the star rail setup, which basically consists of mounting the skeleton of the shape onto the wall. It is crucial that the mounting of this skeleton is done correctly to make sure that the final product is aligned. You don't want to have finished installing the shape only to find out that the rails were mounted at an incorrect angle. The next stage is to set up the components in the system. Our Biosound Shape configuration consisted of 4 speakers, 4 acoustic dampers, 1 amplifier which allows up to 4 speaker connections, and 1 core. Once all these components are all screwed in, the next step is where it gets a little tricky: the wiring. The wire needs to run through each tile in the groove slots so they aren't visible in the final product. B&O also provides these wire hiding tags to cover the sections between the tiles, ensuring the aesthetic of the shape is not disturbed by any exposed wires. A brilliant cable management solution incorporated into its design. The final stage of the process is placing the fabric panels onto the shape. We decided to get all the colors available so that people coming into our store can experience the fabric and its texture firsthand. The shape configuration we chose also happens to be a subtle reflection of our Infinity logo, and it's just simply stunning. The speciality of the Biosound Shape is that it is entirely customizable. You can design your own Biosound Shape on Bang & Olufsen's online configurator to fit your requirement, and I will drop a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. The shape is just as musical to look at as it is to listen to, and it's definitely worth experiencing in person. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like and comment if you have any questions, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.